proposal is the title, An Analysis of Students' Difficulties in the Learning Simple Present Tense of Writing the Text at the 8th grade MTS Husnul Amal, academic year 2021 until 2022. The introduction. There are 4 skills in English: speaking, listening, reading, writing. But many students consider that writing is the most difficult skill. Since English is not the native language of Indonesian, and writing they only have to recognize some text type, but also the tenses that proper of them. So that it still makes the students confused and difficult to write a sentence based on the right grammar and sentence. Due to the differences between Indonesian and English grammar, likewise they are not understand yet how to use it properly. Okay, 1.1 background of the problem. In the writing skill, students often feel hampered in the process of conveying thought idea to be prone into the good and correct writing, one which is because students experience difficulties in the recent years. Research in learning simple present tense in descriptive paragraph writing has been widely studied. To that research want to discuss research on ability and difficulties. Therefore, the purpose of the study is to find out are the factors that students influence ability and difficulties at the 8th grade MTS Husnul Amal academic year 2021 until 2022. 1.2 Focus of the problem. Based on the background of research problem, the research focus is understanding writing, understanding descriptive text, understanding of the simple present tense. Writing descriptive text use the simple present tense. 1.3 Difficulties writing descriptive text in English listen use simple present tense formulation of the problem. In accordance with focus of the problem, the research problem is formulated in the following question: what is meaning of the writing the listening English? What is meaning of the descriptive text in the learning English? What is the meaning simple present tense in English? What are difficulties in the writing descriptive text? Use simple present English. 1.4 Objective of the research: to identify the most dominant error made by the 8th grade student in MTS Husnul Amal Kota Bumi in using the present tense in descriptive text. To describe the factor cause error in writing the simple present tense in writing descriptive text. 1.5 Usage of the research. English teacher, it can be used as consideration to develop their knowledge and experience teaching process, especially teaching simple present tense in descriptive text. English learner, the result of this study can help to understand and to learn more about simple present tense. Therefore, students can apply the correct simple present tense in the descriptive text. Next research. The result of the study can be reference from next research who want to conduct research in the similar topic. Okay, the chapter 2, theory review. 2.1 The definition of analysis. An analysis is a process of observing, analyzing, and classifying. The definition of the rule of second language, and then to revolve the system operated by a learner. 2.2 Difficulties. According to Abu Ahmadi in the book Psychology in Learning Writing, in the situation where students cannot learn properly, that is called learning difficulties. Learning writing difficulties are a condition where students cannot learn writing properly due to the readers' obstacle of disturbance in the writing of learning. In the study, the difficult which made by 8th grade student test Husnul Amal in using simple present tense text would be analyzing. 2.3 The definition of writing. Writing, according to Oshima and Haug 27, writing is a progressive activity and also needs several effort or action to use in it. Writing a process of transferring knowledge or giving the understanding of using the correct sentence and showing the meaning of students in using correct vocabulary, tenses, and word choosing. 2.4 Descriptive text. A. The definition of descriptive text. Descriptive text in the text that describes something to make the reader or listener can feel as what the writer experienced with his or her sixth sentence, looks, smell, feels, acts, tastes, and so on. That's that Husna 2013. B. Characteristic of descriptive text. There are several characteristics of descriptive text. Firstly, it focuses on the thing that will be described, such as a place, a person, and etc. Secondly, the tenses that is used writing text is simple present tense, which has the grammatical rule in it. Thirdly, Sudarwati 2007 stated that form of description should be general to specific. C. The general structure of descriptive text. The generic structure of descriptive text is different from other texts such as a report, narrative record, procedure, argumentation. The descriptive text must have two major elements, according to Husna 2013. They are identification, description. 2.5 Simple present tense. Simple present tense indicates the regular activity that happened in the period. Moreover, this sentence use express a general fact or truth. Daily activity, according to Bahaki 2005. The time signal of present tense is significant by adverb, usually, generally, always, something, and so on. According to Azhar 2003, also explained that simple present tense is to state usual activity. Based on the explanation above, can be concluded the simple present tense is a tense used to express the general truth, daily activity. Okay, next, chapter 3, research method. 3.1 Research method. This research applying qualitative describe method including this research one of the important element of research in research design. Creswell 2010 claimed that research design is the plan and procedure of research that explains residence from broad assumption to the detailed method, the data collection and analysis. This research used descriptive qualitative research because there was the control treatment group, according to Tarigan. Descriptive research is research which does need hypothesis, including the research. Okay, the data collection technique. The research is qualitative comparative. They examine phenomenon of student ability and difficulties. Students MTS Husnul Amal simple present tense sentence in the learning paragraph writing. This method relates to data using research into instrument in the form questionnaire and the documentation. But the teacher is the interview in the other word it does could include calculating and numerical analysis. 3.2 The location. The subject of this research was students' text in 8th grade in MTS Husnul Amal writing descriptive text of simple present tense. It is State Junior High School location in Lampung Utara, Providence, Kabupaten North Lampung. The problem when this research found was the students were still confusion how to applying the sentence, in particular simple present tense. They did not understand how to use in the descriptive text. Okay, I think enough. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi